Morning, Ma. What's your name and your health challenge before you visited BS company?
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Rose Nleba from Opopo, Ikoro local government. Married great Moha local government. My health challenge was 2001. I was feeling so hot, so bad, all over my body. I went to the whole hospital. No way to treat them. All the things they do, they did all the tests. They tell me that it's awesome. But all the drugs, no one can cure it. Finally, I heard about US company. I went to that place. After the test, they still tell me that it's peptic ulcer, that they can treat it. I said, go on. Because I was looking for a way for my life to be good and healthy. When they gave me the drugs, I took the drug. After finishing the drug, everything just ended. And if I have not eaten, immediately it will be 7 o'clock. So many problems. But now, as I'm speaking now, time is 11 o'clock. I've never tasted anything. They'll say, oh, go and take biscuits, go and take this, go and take that. Now, all that one is gone. I am all right. And when I came here, there was one small black house. They put me inside. They said, enter. I look up, I look down. Nobody was with me. I said, oh, God, save me from here. I don't know this room for. I never know that they are going to test many, many things. I know how I am. That is how I see myself. Now, I am free. No ulcer, no pain, no shaking. Even fever, they say malaria and this thing, typhoid, is not in my body any longer. Just because of BS treatment. Even now, as I'm talking with you, I take somebody to that place so that they will be healed like me. And more people I'm going to bring to this place because BS company is working fine. They are bringing people life to live because so many sickness everywhere, every time. When you come to BS company, all will be vanished.
So how long now have you been experiencing this feeling free from ulcer, no more pain, no more heat, and you're just feeling okay? How long now?
This is 4 years now. 4 years now. I am free from ulcer. But later, I got pain again at my body, the whole pains from leg. I went back to BS company. They put me inside one small house. After the small house, they said they are washing it, they do everything. At the end, they gave me drugs again. After all the whole test, I took it. Yes, there was no pain again up till now.
So now, was there anything that you were not able to do because of your leg pain? Can you show us now how you're feeling? You can do everything now.
I run like a baby girl of 13.
So can you jump?
People were even they asking me, what do you do and teach your leg? And I've been bringing them to this place to find their own solution.
So what is your advice now for the public?
My advice is that anyone that are seeking for pain, or chest pain or the leg pain or any part of their body, run to BS company. They are there for you.
Thank you so much, Ma. And we really appreciate you for helping us to tell the public how you've experienced BS company's help and seeing that you've been bringing a lot of people to also benefit from BS company. We thank you so much. Thank you.